Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I keep doing it. Just coming on to show you guys that we are still getting things out of the garden. Now, we just took a bunch in that we harvested, and we still have more in the jungle because, yes, that's what it is. I think those are super sweet 100s right there. So we'll grab those. And then, look at this. This is the cushion vine. The mosquitoes are out. And then you have the cushion vine that went all the way up here. All the way to over there. What's that? I'll take it. Yeah. She shoots. Oh, I missed now when I turn the camera on. Oh my goodness. Just act like y'all didn't see that. That is terrible. Look at that. I think this is an ancho chili or something like that. I don't know. But then there's more black cherry tomatoes here and there. They're big too. Let me put this down. I'll grab that. Ooh. Okay, so I don't like them. Like, right off. I guess you have to be a tomato type person because they're not all as sweet and delicious like a cherry as some people try to explain it. I don't like it. It's not like that. I don't get that flavor like that. It is sweet, but it's not like a cherry, how people try to describe. And it was disappointing because I have sun sugar. I don't have the sun gold because I couldn't find any sun gold. But I did the sun sugar, super sweet 100. Look at that, it's dying. Isis candy, India. Black cherry tomato. And it wasn't as sweet as everyone try to say it is. They're not. They're all right, but I would have to cut them in half. I don't like that when you bite it. I don't like it. And then it's tomato. It's still a tomato. It's not a cherry. Let me pick these up. Okay, so my succession. Oh, sorry. My succession planting is when a plant fall off, or if it's too big, I'll just cut that and put it down here. Put it in the ground. This is the tomatillo. And then I did plant some more, where is it? Some more squash. We'll see what happens. This is another one. I think this is the black cherry, maybe. I'm just grabbing those that I dropped. They got away. Oh, this is the celery. It's still growing. It's still growing. I have not gotten a really thick celery. It's not been thick. But let me show you this. Get off of there. My beets are coming in. I want thin. I'm just going to see what happens. I haven't grown a beet yet. My carrots are coming in. I grew carrots last season, but they were, really small. And I just threw some brassica in here, turnips, and we'll see what happens. I see they've eaten whatever this is. I know I put chamomile here. I put chamomile over here and nothing came up. I see, or it looks like something dug in it. And then I put peas back here, and those are coming up. These are pole beans, and I'll just let them go up that. And I can't remember what these were, but they're eating it. And look at my toothache plant is doing wonderful because I planted a bunch. Now this is the plant where for people that don't know what a toothache plant is, they use them like if you have like a toothache or whatever, you can, it's either it's in the leaves and in the flower. I have my face covered so you guys can't see me, I mean, so there's no point in me trying to try it. My lid is bolted, so I'm gonna take that out and give that to the chicks. Whatever this was, they ate it and it died. Well, it's kind of thick. Somebody just clipped that, and matter of fact, this might have been lettuce too. I'm gonna clip it right there, still a little green, so I'll keep that. So that lettuce bolted. They are eating my brassicas. So I have not grown any collards. I've not gotten any collards, but this toothache plant. And this is why I super sow now and will continue to. I'm not sure what this is. We'll see. But this is why I've been super sowing my plants, because this season the bugs, the earwigs really ate my stuff. They really did. But the pineapple mint and chocolate mint is doing great. Really good. And to the figs again. Ooh, they're really getting up there. That is nice. That is nice, guys. I'm loving it. And then I planted another round of corn where I had the potatoes, and it's coming up. Look at that. Awesome. We've got germination on the corn. It's peaches and cream corn from M.I. Gardner. I had got a hold of that sale. Yes, I did. This is my jalapeno plant. Jalapeno gigante too. They get pretty big. They get bigger than that. How nice. My banana peppers. They get bigger than that. Nice. I'm gonna show you guys this mess. This is a real big mess. Okay, so these are my watermelon. The vines for my watermelon, and then ooh, there is a watermelon. Ooh, what kind? I don't know. But they're taking over my strawberry patch, and then here's the mess. Right there. Cucumbers on the gate. You can't even see the gate anymore. And watermelon on the ground. I overplanted, and I overplanted on purpose. I want to see what I can get by overplanting. That's just one of the watermelon. There's some more over in here. But I'll have to find it. I have to dig, and I don't want to right now. I'll show you guys another time. Because I have been getting eaten up by the mosquitoes. And I want to show you. Oh, they're trying to get me. The mosquitoes are coming. Where is it? Right here. This is a bitter melon. How cool. I've never grown it before. I got those seeds from Baker's Creek. Oh, here's another one. Look at that. It's big. There's another one. Ew. That's the bitter melon. So pretty cool. Things have been dying. Things have been growing. As long as I still have things growing. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Let me grab this. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to show you guys, and then look, so it went up the gate, and then it's coming back into the gate, into the garden. I think my neighbor pushed it back. He said he wanted it, but I guess not. That's fine. So I have eggplant over there. Let's see if I can get in there. Ooh, a cabbage. Look at that. Oh, it's hard. It's hard. That's really hard. Let's see. Let me try to grab that. the bugs are attacking. Oh, yeah, this is a nice cabbage. So since they don't come up again, I think I'm gonna pull the whole plant. I mean, it's not like it's the plant that you can pull and, oh, it's gonna come back and grow some more. Even if it grows small ones, like some people say. I don't want that. Yeah, that's a mess. I'm cutting things off. See a disease spread to that. Celery. Darn. That's alright though. Alright. Let's take this stuff off and pick that up after. And I'm using this because earwigs hide in these little tight spots. I just want y'all to know that. The earwigs hide in these little tight, closed off spots. And it's annoying. Uh-oh, did I break it? No. I need my other one. Sorry guys, the plant was trying to get me. No. I'm gonna take that off. See, look at that slug. Look at that. Oops. Well, I cut it in half anyway, so it doesn't matter. There's another slug. Maybe I'll end up giving this to the chicks then. There's gonna be a bunch in here. But no. I want some cabbage. Well, how many did I get? Like 2, I think. 2 cabbage. I want cabbage. I just broke it off. Oh, there's something in there. I saw it. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to make sure. Oh, don't fall. That's alright. I'll just wash it in the house because I know it's something in there. I saw it. But anyway. Ooh, I almost stepped on that tree of mine. Unless I was just walking. And then I drop it. Unless that was just water. But that'll be some fried cabbage. That's what that will be. But before my phone dies out, I just wanted to come on and show you guys some of the garden and that we're still growing. These are the green giants. They're on the ground, but they are growing. Let's see. This one actually might be ready. Nope, it's not ready yet. And how you know these are ready? It turns that emerald green and it's a little soft. Not a lot, but just a little bit. And you can take it. You can actually take it at that stage because you can make fried green tomatoes, of course. And that'll definitely always be delicious. And there's the corn. Let me see. Another one might be ready. Ooh, that was dangerous. This was just sticking up like that. So, I think we've decided we're not going to use bamboo sticks anymore because it doesn't do the job. So, we'll show you guys and put you guys up to date, of course, as the seasons die down and then progress back into summer again. But this is basically, what was that? What was that? Okay. This is basically the summer and fall garden. Because whatever tomatoes are out here that haven't died yet, ooh, look at that. Those are San Marzanos. Let me put this down and grab that. That was big. Hold on, guys. Oh, do I have it all? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, let me go put this down. See, like I was saying, like things, oh darn, I think I just ripped that. Shoot, I did. Things may be on the ground, but, Ooh, these mosquitoes are biting, but they are still growing. I think I stepped on a pepper plant though. Let me make sure I didn't. No, I didn't step on it. I just knocked that leaf off. Thankfully, that was it. But yeah, we're out here getting eaten up by the mosquitoes as we try to harvest. So we'll keep you guys updated on everything. Oh, and how everything's growing. What grows and what won't, of course, during the fall and winter months. Our first frost date is October 1st, so we still have some time to grow. Ooh, these mosquitoes, which is why we're still planting and still harvesting. So like, share, subscribe, and I think I'm going to show you guys this one thing before I let you go. You want to take that corn? I think that corn is ready. More San Marzano to make some paste, tomato paste or tomato sauce. Yeah, that one. Tomato paste or tomato sauce. So we have in our second basket. Mr. Hollis is going to take that pepper plant. Whoop. The corn. Maybe it wasn't. Usually you just pull and twist and it comes. So maybe it wasn't, but it's coming now. It's gonna have to come this time. Mistakes in the garden. Well, that should be ready. Look at that. Look at that. Let's open it and see what we got. The other side. Whew. It is still hot at, what time is it? I don't even know. 6:40. It's still hot. Oh, look at that. Ooh, I'll take it. It's probably earwigs in there too with it. It is. Yeah. So the earwigs love the corn. But that, let me get another close up. That is the corn. Yay. That was fully pollinated. So, ooh, I don't think it's another one ready. And then here's things that can happen in the garden. You see that corn back there? It did fall over, taking it off, but sometimes it happens. Everything's not perfect. So, like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.